Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones mini. This time it is the RockMaw from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. It has been primed in Desert Sand and I am starting off with Strong Tone. I'm going for a mixture of tones on the fleshy areas, so washes are by far the easiest way of actually achieving this. If you do have any questions or mini requests though, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also ask me on Facebook, where there will be photos of this mini as well. Or you can ask me live on Twitch, where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays or Sundays at 8 PM UK time. While waiting for the wash to dry, I used dark stone for all of the claws. I do make a small mistake and forget to clean up the pooling on the wash, so it gets a bit mixed up in places and requires a second coat in those areas. Now onto the teeth with leather brown as the first layer. With the first wash now pretty much dry, I used mid brown to do another layer over the entire mini, remembering this time to pick up the pooled areas towards the feet. I changed my mind with the eyes and I went for gory red as a base layer instead of leather brown. I felt yellow eyes wouldn't stand out enough against the rest of this mini. For the second layer on the teeth, I used cobalt skin. This pretty much covers the entire teeth again, except for the lower parts, leaving that wash and the leather brown visible to give a bit of a blend. While I'm waiting for the cobalt skin to dry, I used a dark flesh tone to do the same thing on the claws. With the teeth dry, I used bone white to finish them up. This is for the top half of the teeth, giving them a bit of that fade between all three colours up to a bony colour. Now onto the eyes, use bloody red to do the bottom half of his eyes, giving it that sort of shiny jewel effect. I then used moon yellow to add a smaller section to the bottom right just to highlight it up a bit more and make it stand out some more. To finish the mini, I used matte black to do the base and the eyes. And that will be it for the RockMaw. This thing is basically a Xorn, a creature from the elemental plane of Earth. I'm liking how the washes came out for the bulk of this thing, as it creates a good variation of earthy tones as this creature should look. If you have any questions or mini requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also ask me on Facebook or Instagram, where I will have photos of this thing on there. If you want a quick answer, you can check out my Twitch stream, where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.